Hey guys, so welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to change location in Brave browser. So to do this process, first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Brave into your computer. Once you are here on the Brave, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner. And then over here, you will have an option settings over here down below. Go ahead and select this one over here. Now guys, in order for you to change the location settings, you just simply go for the privacy and security on the left side. And now over here, you will have an option sites and shields. And from here, you will have the permissions for the location. Now, here on the location, as you can see in default behavior, sites can ask for your location. So from here, you could collapse all requests in the address bar, or collapse unwanted requests, or expand all requests, or you could just simply go for don't allow sites to see your location if you don't want your location to be exposed from the other site. And from here, you should be able to see all of the sites that you have denied for your location and all of the sites that you have on your location. Pretty much here on the location, this is all you can do when it comes to the Brave browser, and there are no other option about the location on the Brave browser itself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.